So I know you wanted to play something like that, but you can't. If you're not following the right pathway, you can't. So as an absolute beginner, we people think like, let's start with any teacher, it should be affordable, I'm attracted by the song they are playing, right? No, that's not the right point, and that's not the right way to start learning from anybody. Because if you develop a wrong habit, it's again going to take a long time to overcome. Wrong habit, something like coordination is not coming, fingers are not able to stretch, coordination is really bad, not able to play together with the tempo, and so many things. What is happening in theory is why you're playing this chord and that chord, then again you're not going to play and you're not going to reach till here. I'm going to share some of my students' video right here just below. You can check how my student learned from me. They started at the very beginning with no knowledge of music, they never picked up the guitar, but you can look at them how they are playing, right? The link is just below. I just wanted to give you one guarantee. If you start with me and if you follow my pathway, you're gonna play it like you want. Thank you.